Hi everyone, and welcome to one of my 4 summer staycation hair tutorials. As you know, it's COVID. We've either cancelled our holidays abroad or we've resigned ourselves to the fact that we're staying at home and travelling within our own countries. So what I've done is created 4 different hairstyles that are really quick and easy for you to do and make you feel like you're still on holiday, and throw on that sort of fake tan and away you go. Don't forget, if you love this video, go and subscribe to my channel to see more. I love a bright coloured head wrap, and here's an alternative simple way to wear one that will not only protect your hair from any sun that you may encounter, but also looks great. It's a great look for a barbecue or a party. Start with either towel dried or completely dry hair, and then part your hair down the middle from forehead to nape. Starting just behind each ear, add some Biolage Exquisite Oil to your hair and braid your hair on each side in a Dutch or French braid all the way down to the ends. Secure the braid with an elastic. This can be colour matching to your hair, or you can use a coloured hairband. Take a square piece of fabric and fold one of the top corners down, but not in half. Here I'm using Scarves by H&M. Take the wider part of the fabric and place that in the nape of your neck so you have 2 corners coming out either side. Place the rest of the fabric over your head towards the forehead with one corner hanging forward. Take the 2 side corners and wrap around to the front. Tie in a knot with the front corner underneath the knot. Tuck in any loose ends into the knot and voila, there you have it. As an extra, you could also add accessories to the ends of your braids and or attach them to the head wrap. The accessories I'm using here are by London Get a Grip. Gorgeous! Thanks for watching, and remember to press that little subscribe button if you want to see more of my gorgeous hair tutorials.